Hi there. Have you ever been frustrated by slow, buggy code that crashes because of memory issues? What if I told you there's a language that gives you the speed of C++ without the headaches? In this video, we're diving deep into Rust, the programming language that's fast, reliable, and becoming a favorite among developers. So what is Rust? Imagine building powerful software without constantly worrying about memory errors or race conditions. Rust is a systems programming language that's suitable for projects like game engines, web servers, or even embedded systems. Here are 3 reasons why Rust stands out. Memory safety, without garbage collection. It gives you control over memory. Fearless concurrency. Need to write multi-threaded code? Rust's ownership model makes concurrency way safer and easier to handle, so you can write fast, multi-threaded code without the fear of crashes. High performance. It's as fast as C or C++, but much easier to maintain. Rust helps you write code that's optimized and reliable. So, why learn Rust? If you want to build software that's fast, secure, and trusted by different companies like Mozilla, Microsoft, and even Facebook, then Rust programming language is for you. And it's ranked the most loved programming language multiple times. Whether you're into systems programming or just want to become a more versatile developer, learning Rust is a major career booster. Getting started with Rust is easier than you think. The Rust Book. It's free, it's official, and it's super beginner-friendly. And also you can learn from YouTube. Start there. So that's it for today about Rust. And check out the official Rust documentation for more details. If you're ready to level up your tech knowledge, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. What will you build with Rust? Drop your ideas in the comments below.